Hi my angels, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to move to my new house. I am so excited for it, let's go sleep. Good night guys, see you in the morning. Good morning guys, let's go get ready. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Okay, let's go do my skincare routine and makeup. Okay, let's wash my face so I can wake up faster. Okay, now let's do the rest of my skincare and makeup. Let me stop yapping so you guys can enjoy me doing my skincare routine. Okay, we are done with makeup and skincare. Let's put my outfit on. Okay, now let's put my cute fit on. Okay, now let's go downstairs so I can make my breakfast. Can't wait to make my breakfast and move to my new home. I am so glad I am getting a new home. Okay, now let's make my breakfast and then go say bye to this house. Okay, let's make bacon and eggs. Okay, now let's get the stuff so I can make my breakfast. Okay, now let's finally make it. Okay, let's cook the egg. Now we done cooking the eggs, let's now go eat it. This food is so good. I can't wait when you am done with eating that we are going to my new home, but I will say bye to this house because I will miss it. And let me drink some of my water so I don't get dehydrated. I am done eating and drinking my water. Let's go say goodbye to this house and go to my new one. OMG, I will miss this house so much. I had so many fun memories in here, but it's time to close this chapter and start a new one. Okay, let's put these boxes in the car. Let's go to the car and say goodbye to this lovely house. Okay, it's really time to go, sadly. Okay, let's take a moment to say bye to this house because I will miss it. Bye, house. Thank you for all the great memories I had here. Thank you for keeping me safe and well. But now is the time to end this chapter and make a new one. Goodbye. I had so much fun here, but now it's time to go. Okay, let's go put the boxes in the trunk and let's go to our new house. I am sad I am leaving this house, but I am also happy I am going to go to a better home and being a new chapter in my life. OMG, we are going away to our new home, yay? I can't wait to see what my new home will have to offer me. Goodbye, house, once again. We are here in my new home. I am really excited I am here. OMG, it looks amazing. Let's go to my new room. I can't wait to do my morning routines here. It is so happy I can make more fun vids here. OMG, wow, it looks so summery. I already see the door to my room. Let's go see how my new room looks like. OMG, no way. This looks like a cute summer room. I really love it. I love my new house so much, and this is the end of the video. Angels, thank you for watching. Please, if you want, subscribe and like, and share this video, and please subscribe to Small Content Creators. Thank you. Bye, my lovely angels.